Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about arguments in UiPath, how to create arguments, what are the types of argument, and also understand the direction of argument. Firstly, I describe what is the argument. Argument is a same like variable that is used to pass data from one project to another. In a global sense, they reassemble variables as they store data dynamically and pass it on. Variable pass data between activities while argument pass data between whole project. There are three types of argument: in, out, and in-out arguments. Let's see these arguments with example. So let's go to the UiPath Studio. So here I am created one program by using the arguments. So I describe this program. So here in the main YAML, I have taken a invoke workflow. Invoke workflow means I'm calling another workflow in the this YAML. So you can see here in invoke code, I'm calling second workflow YAML here. So second workflow YAML is created here. So you can see here. So in this YAML, uh, I'm taking some assign activities and create variable and uh, assign the value. Okay. So I have created three variable arguments. You can say arguments, not a variable. I will describe why I'm saying the arguments. So you can see here in the variable section, nothing here. So you can go in the arguments. So these are the arguments here I'm created: in direction argument, out direction argument, and in out direction argument. If you want to create another argument, so click on the click argument and you can create that. So like this a. So this is the argument. So you want to put the direction of the argument. If you want to out direction, you can select the out. If you want to in out both, then you can select the in out. So I'm only using the three arguments. So I'm deleting this argument. So if you want to delete any argument, please select that argument and press the delete button. So this is deleted. So this is very simple. Only uh, I'm showing for the example. So Control S for saving this YAML and go to the main YAML. In the main YAML, what can I did here? So you can see in the variable section there are three variables here created with the same name of the argument. So you can see in the this workflow here I'm created the argument, the name is same. So if you want to change the name, it's not an issue. You can change the name also. Argument name and variable name may be different, not required to the similar. So in the argument section, nothing. So I want to tell you one thing very important. If you are the passing the argument through the invoke code, so one thing you need to do is import arguments. Click on the import argument and assign the value of the argument. So these are the argument in direction out and in out. So I'm providing the variable name here. So this direction value, this argument value are stored in this variable. Like if you want to change the, if you are configuring, then I will change the name. Like here is a not here. Argument is same. I'm only changing the value here. So this is the variable name. So in the variable, I change the name of the variable in message. Out message, in out message. So I'm changing the variable name here. So you need to do one thing. Go to the import and change this. So now you can see the this is the variable and this is the argument. Now I think you differentiate the both. So click on the OK. It's fine, and save the workflows and you can run the workflows. Okay, so I'm running the workflow. This is an example of in argument. This is an example of out argument, and this is example of in out argument. So all value coming in the main XAML, because we are providing the out direction of argument is out. If you provide the in argument, then it's not providing the value. So here in argument value is out, direction is out. You change this direction in, and then you can run the program. Okay, Control S, go to the main section and import this argument. Click OK. If you're clicking the value is empty, then you need to provide here the in message. Okay, okay, and after that this message will I'm using the message box, so print the message. Control S and run this file. So you can see the output is empty because I'm providing an in argument. That's why it's coming in empty. Out is coming right, and in out is also coming right. So in argument not coming the value from that in workflow to this workflow. So this is all about the arguments. I hope you are understand the arguments, what is the arguments and what is the use of arguments, how to create the arguments. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We will guide you. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.